Alrighty folks, so today's video is going to be a really short and sweet video. Keep it real simple. We're going to be talking about lubing and oiling as well as cleaning. Two separate topics. I'm going to break it down into two different videos. Today's topic is going to be lubing it up. So this is more lubing it up to keep it running longer. Let's say you're shooting like a longer course of fire. So where some suggestions and stuff that I use. You got this Lucas extreme duty oil. You can see that, and then you got the all-in-one, the CLP clean, lubricate and preserve. And then if you want to just oil it, you got the Hops gun lube, and then I got some of the CLP in a little eBay bottle with the nozzle on it. It's easier for getting in the rails and stuff like that. I'll show you that in a little bit. So let me show you with my firearm that is very dirty, the good points to lubricate. So first off, one thing that's gonna get dirty inevitably, especially in this platform, is the barrel. Really, it's really 3 points: the barrel, the rails of the slide, and the frame. So I'm gonna show you that. So you can see this slide all up in here. I'm gonna use my tactical Sharpie, show you guys. So all up in the rails and stuff, and then even on the top right here, because this is where the explosion happens right here. So you can see that's where all the dirt and soot is going to come out, and then where it comes out is going to be here. So that's going to be dirty. All of this is going to end up dirty. You can see I put about 500 rounds through this last range session, and you can physically hear it. I'm gonna put it up to the mic. How crunchy that is, just turning the bushing. That's just from all the dirt and grime and the carbon that's got in there. So this is going to be really dirty. The feed ramp of the barrel is going to be really dirty, and then along all of the rails, because it's just basically the dirt's just carrying and traveling, as well as, I'll show you, as well as your channels are going to be really dirty. So the back of your extractor right here, and then the front face right here from all the bullets and stuff, and then as well as inside the extractor, inside the firing pin tube as well, or the firing pin channel. So you want to take this apart and clean that, but we'll talk about that in a later video. So you want to lube up those parts along the rails. And you can see from this how dirty it gets. You could see that's how dirty it is, right, all along there. And then the top of there, like I said, this is where the explosion happens, so this is where the majority of the dirt's going to be. But it does get in the back and along the rails and the extractor and ejector as well. And this is just a really dirty one. I probably put like 50 rounds through this, and you can see how clean that is. But you want to just put a little bit of lube on all of these surfaces right here, as well as, and I'll actually put some on there to show you how much you need. I put like 1 drop on each rail, so that's enough. That's plenty. Boom, 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 and then one on the top, of the extractor. Let that drip down. I also put one on the hammer, just because I like doing that. And then I put 1 bead on the recoil bang, and then 1 on inside the bushing right there. Let that seep down. And then 1 on the top of the barrel, because that's going to be rubbing right there as well. And then I'll just put it together this, like so. Okay. Gotta do it off camera, sorry guys. And when I put it together, I won't put it all the way. I'll put the link in like that, but I'll just rack it, let that oil seep in, and then I'll actually put the link in. It's just my method. You don't have to do it like this, but then I put the link in and actually lock it back. Then I put oil on the front of the barrel where it locks up right there, a couple drops, and then rack it a couple more times, let that seep in. Make sure that the oil that you put on there is actually seeping in, like it's actually rubbing on the surface. If not, you can just take a glove or you use your bare finger and just rub it on there manually and make sure that it's actually contacting the surfaces that you want it to. But yeah, that's my version of oiling it, and obviously I don't want to put any on this because I'm going to clean it and then oil it, so that's a separate video. But yeah guys, just make sure y'all oiling y'all stuff, make sure y'all doing it properly. The 1911 specifically does require more maintenance, and that's why I like it as a platform more, because I like cleaning and taking down and maintenance of my firearms on a regular basis. So that's something that I do enjoy. If you don't enjoy that type of processes, I'd say get you one of these probably, because they require less maintenance and less time. But these do require, and I do mean require, like if not, they will stop working after a certain round count. I would say oil it on a regular basis. If not, clean it if you're shooting it on a regular basis. But you know, above all, just take care of your stuff. Treat it like anything else. You know, take care of your property. But yeah guys, if you like this, like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more. We got more coming to you soon. Peace.